So for today's video, tayo po ay on the way to TPC office, sa ating office sa Lemon Square Muñoz building. Yan, dahil one of our teams sa Team Anghel, which is the Team Explorer Angels, yan, headed by Coach Judy Ann. Hello, shout out sa iyo, Coach Judy Ann, ay mag-upgrade to gold and platinum accounts. Grabe, ayan yung isa sa mga power teams ko talaga sa Team Anghel. Ayan, so they will be upgrading to gold and platinum packages. And what are the benefits of upgrading to gold and platinum packages? So alam naman po natin na those are two of the upgraded accounts ni TPC, wherein kapag nag-upgrade ka dito, bukod sa matatanggap mong mga inclusions is upgraded na din po ang income. So for gold account or gold upgrade, of course, included sa inyong package ang tangible products. Yan, yung iba't ibang tangible products ni TPC. Okay po. And then you will also receive 120 activation credits where you can earn 24, as much as 24,000 and up. Okay po, depende sa packages na i-avail ni retailers. Okay po. And then, of course, ang pinaka maganda po sa gold upgrade natin is you will receive one year gold sterling account, ayan, which includes medical assistance worth 200,000 pesos, di ba? Napakaganda. So yearly you can renew it for 200 pesos. Yan. So, insured ka na kay TPC kapag upgraded ka sa gold. And of course, for the income, if you upgrade to gold and your downlines will upgrade to gold account, you will receive 500 pesos direct referral bonus and 1,000 pairing bonus. Diba? So, yan yung sinasabi namin na if your account is upgraded, of course, your income will be upgraded too. Yan. So, that is for the gold package. What about the platinum account upgrade naman? So, platinum account upgrade is actually 12,000 pesos. For gold, that is 6,998. But for platinum, that is 12,000 pesos upgrade. So, medyo malaki siya, pero alam niyo po ba na that is a wise investment. Bakit? Kasi yung 12,000 na i-invest mo sa platinum account, grabe po ang balik niyan dahil kagaya ni gold na unlimited po ang direct referral and pairing bonus, ganun din po si platinum. So, for platinum account, of course, include po dyan ating tangible products. You will also receive 200 activation credits, additional 1,000 load wallet, and for platinum account, you will receive po 1,000 direct referral bonus and 2,000 pairing bonus. Ano po yan ha? Less tax po yan. After taxes po yan. So, yun po yung kinagandahan kapag upgraded po tayo to gold and platinum. So, always remember po, gaya po nang nire-remind namin lagi, na kapag po ang mga downlines po natin ay mag-upgrade na, mas maganda po na mauunahan po nating mag-upgrade ang mga downlines natin para hindi po magiging invisible ang upgrades nila. So medyo mabigat po ang upgrades, kaya maganda po na habang wala pa nag-upgrade sa mga downlines natin ay maunti-unti na po nating ma-upgrade yung mga accounts natin na nasa taas po ng mga downlines natin. Lalo na po kung may mga downlines kayo na mga yan, katulad ng Team Explorer Angels na talagang hataw na hataw, talagang palong-palo sa paghataw dito kay TPC. Better make sure na may set up or ma-structure, ma-organize, ma-upgrade na po natin yung mga accounts natin. So, yun po yung pinaka-advantages. Kasi, once na nauna po sila at hindi po tayo nakapag-upgrade, magiging invisible po ang upgrades po ng mga downlines natin, which is sayang po. So, I personally experienced that na hindi naman siya intentional na hindi ako nag-upgrade, kundi hindi ko napansin na hindi pa pala upgraded yung isang account ko above kila Coach Judy Ann, o diba? So, napakabilis po nilang humataw at mag-upgrade sa team nila, kaya ewan ko ba kung ano nangyari doon. But anyway, so ayun na nga po. So, see you later sa Lemon Square! Bye!